will hear the names of body parts from Fatma. Fatma, tell me, where is your eyes?
This is my eyes.
Where is your nose?
This is my nose.
Where is your teeth?
This is my teeth.
Where is your tongue?
This is my tongue.
Where is your hand?
This is my hand.
Where is your leg?
This is my leg.
Where is your foot?
This is my foot.
Where is your elbow?
This is my elbow.
Where is your ear?
This is my ear.
Where is your hair?
This is my ear. Hair.
Where is your neck?
This is my neck.
Where is your belly?
This is my belly.
Where is your hair?
This is my hair.
Where is your finger?
This is my finger.
Where is your thumb?
This is my thumb. मेरी वीडियोस को शेयर करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।